Hi boys and girls, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the game today. So instead of having two videos with a little warm-up, we'll just go straight to the game. We'll keep it short and sweet. It's called Make It 5, and you have these pages in your packet. Okay, so this is the first page with the directions on it, and then the second page looks like that and has a spinner on it with shapes. Okay, and then there's a page over here where you record your answers. Okay, the page where you record your answers has a top for player 1 and a bottom for player 2. So you write your name here, and then whoever you're playing with writes their name here. Okay? To play, you use your little paper clip, or remember you can also use a bobby pin as a spinner again. Oops. Okay, so Miss Skinner's gonna flick it. It's hard to hold the camera with one hand and flick with the other. Okay, hold on. Let me switch hands here. Okay, you get the idea, right? So you spin, and Mrs. Skinner landed on 2 cylinders. Right there. I know it's kind of blurry. 2 cylinders. So if I were player 1, I'd find the 5 frame that has the cylinder in front of it right there. I'd choose one color. This is a game where you're going to be using 2 colors again. So I've got my red and my green. And I spun 2, so I would color in 2 squares. Coloring with my left hand, I never do that. Okay, so I've colored in 2 squares. Well, now player 2 will spin and fill in whatever shape they land on that number. So take a close look at the spinner. There's things like 2 cylinders and 3 cylinders. But you might run into a problem if you landed on 2 cylinders and then 2 cylinders again, because what's 2 and 2 more? It's only 4. Okay? And if you look at your game here, you got 2 the first time, and we need to fill in the problem with just 2 numbers and then the answer. So 2 was my first spin. How many do I have left? How many are left to make 5? 1, 2, and then how many is right here? 1, 2, 3. So get your second color. It's important to use 2 different colors so you can see that you're adding things together. Okay, and then my 3 goes here. So what do I have all together? 2 and 3 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 in green. Okay, so you really spin once for each shape, hopefully. You take turns, of course, but once you've landed on each shape, you color in whatever number you got, and then whatever's left, you use the other color. Okay? And then there's a list here on the page of some challenge ideas. So you could talk about how many more do you need, what goes with 2 to make 5, all of that. Okay, have fun playing the game.